You achieved this milestone.
I like me better when I'm with you.
Okay, I'm so sorry you had to see that clip, but I have really exciting news. I am so sorry I haven't been posting in like a week or so. I've just been busy, mostly lazy, but I've been busy with school. I've been stressing out about math and other homework and history, but I am back finally. And sorry guys, I had to keep you waiting. I have finally received my 100K play button today in the mail, and I am super excited to open it up for you guys because I've been wanting this for such a long time. Like seriously, like ever since I was like 10, like around 3rd grade-ish, I've always been wanting one. So I'm gonna get the box. ASMR. So my dad already cut it open for me, which is amazing. So here's some foam. Oh, we got a piece of paper in it. From YouTube. Yeah. Okay.
You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube could get really big, so we hope that you don't lose sight of reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained.
You achieved this milestone.
You received this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you for all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and you found an audience who cares. Believe us, when we say we can't wait to see what you do next, 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off now, but you're closer than you think. We're rooting for you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Susan. I really appreciate the note. It made me feel good. Thanks for the award too. Of course, I don't just do it for the awards. I do it for you guys because you guys are my life. And yeah, so thank you. And I appreciate it. So Susan, if you're watching this, thank you, girl. Okay. This reward is inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Are you guys ready? You don't know how proud I am. Look at that. Presented to Gachimai for passing 100,000 subscribers. Dude, I feel so proud holding this up right now. Oh my God. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. I was talking for about a good 1 minute. And then I realized I didn't press record. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for getting me to this accomplishment in my life, because I've always wanted these since my 4th grade, 3rd grade years when I first started my channel. And it all happened because of all you lovely people out there. So mwah, mwah, mwah. There's my love, because I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you guys. And yeah, so yes, it's like so happy, oh my God. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna be posting another video at least around Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime next week. That's gonna be my 2nd vlog I'm planning on. Bye guys.